Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off our shortcut to Speak Keyboard Aloud function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, as you can see on the bottom right corner, we have our accessibility function shortcut button. We have two options here. We have talkback and we have Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. So, how to turn off this shortcut or how to make it disappear. Now it's on, now it's off. We can go to edit shortcuts here. As you can see, we have select options here. We can choose what will appear here, or we can alternatively go to settings, then accessibility, then spoken assistance, then speak keyboard input aloud, and here we have our shortcut that we can turn off. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.